The 200-watt portable solar panel kit is designed with high-efficiency 12 busbar monocrystalline cells, which can convert up to 23.5% of solar energy into power, making it ideal for rapid charging in outdoor settings. This kit is built to withstand extreme weather conditions, including rain, snow, and strong winds, thanks to its professional IP68 waterproof rating and reinforced design. It features a 20-ampere pulse-width modulation controller that supports both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, ensuring stable charging for larger batteries. The solar panel kit is easy to set up with adjustable kickstands and includes all necessary accessories, such as a 3-meter Anderson extension cable and a 4-meter alligator clip cable, making it convenient for off-grid use. The solar panel folds compactly into a reinforced Oxford case, allowing for easy transportation and storage, which is particularly beneficial for camping and RV trips. Backed by a 24-month warranty and round-the-clock customer support, this solar panel kit provides reliable protection and peace of mind for various outdoor and emergency power needs.